Hey everybody, PE School here, and this game is called Pokemon Gotta Catch 'em All. This game you can work on several different skills such as rolling, underhand tossing, or overhand throwing, as well as a little practice taking turns during a relay race. So each team is on the perimeter of the playing area, and in the middle of the playing area we have some targets. And for this game we're using some hula hoops and a baby pool. You can use whatever is available for you and your classes. And the object of the game is for the students to take turns using their gator ball as a pokeball to land in one of the targets in the middle. So if the student lands their pokeball in one of the targets, such as a hula hoop or a baby pool, then they come over and they collect one of these Pokemon cards. These Pokemon cards are great. I found them on Amazon. They were very cheap for a couple hundred of them, and I put each one in a clear ID badge protector to ensure that they last as long as possible. And they have been a big hit. The students love how real they seem. So anyway, the students just continue taking turns with their teams, trying to collect as many cards as possible. You can modify it in several different ways. You can have students aim for certain colors. You can have hula hoops worth different amounts of cards. For this version, each hula hoop is worth one card, and the baby pool, if it lands in the baby pool, is 2 or 3 cards. So a lot of fun. The students love practicing their rolling and tossing skills with this game, and I hope you can try it in your class. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.